Indian military is one of the largest military forces in the world. It's fought a number of wars with China and Pakistan. Indian military is also known for winning fake war trophies and medals in conflicts that never even took place.
You win! Perfect!
Today we take a look at the top 4 fake wins of the Indian military. Number 1. Wannabe Hollywood. After getting inspired from Hollywood's action thriller Zero Dark 30, which was based on an actual event,
when was the last time you saw Bin Laden?
Indians decided to conduct their own version of Surgical Strike, which was based on, well, just a story. According to the Indian press, Indian army crossed into Pakistan and killed the bad guys. Indian press published so many stories. These accounts were more than the actual number of soldiers involved in the so-called strike. In fact, Indian description of Surgical Strike had so many flaws that it's hard to pick the most hilarious one.
The Pakistani military has brought in a busload of foreign and local media to reinforce their argument.
जब उन्होंने इंटरनेशनल मीडिया को लिया पूरे बॉर्डर में कहा कि देखिए कहां पर कोई स्ट्राइक हुई है। अगर हिंदुस्तान अपने दाव में सच्चा होता ये भी आपको ले जाते।
But despite all the absurdity, India awarded characters of its story actual medals for their valor. Many believe that it was essential to address the growing suspicions over the Bollywood-inspired Surgical Strike.
Oh no!
Number 2. Desire for medals. Similarly, in Kargil conflict of 1999 with Pakistan, 3 Indian army officers made a video claiming to have killed a number of Pakistani troops. Based on this fake encounter footage, these officers earned themselves one of India's highest military awards. However, after a few years, all 3 officers had to face disciplinary action since the entire video of their encounter was fake. Number 3. Paint job fail. Here are the pictures of what India claims is wreckage of a Pakistani fighter jet shot down during the 71 war. But it turned out that this wreckage is in fact of Indians' own MiG-21 aircraft. Even though Indians painted these parts with the Pakistani flag, it looks like someone forgot to change the tail numbers. The C-series as seen here are the ones used by the Indian Air Force and not by the Pakistani Air Force. Moreover, the flag is also facing the wrong direction. Last but not the least, destruction of Pakistani submarine named Ghazi. Ghazi was a Pakistani submarine that penetrated deep inside Indian waters during the 1971 Indo-Pak War. Indian Navy had no clue where to look for the intruder and only came to know its location once the submarine exploded underwater due to an accident. According to Indian experts themselves, Ghazi exploded on its own and Indian Navy had nothing to do with it. However, in 2017, after 46 years, with the release of Bollywood blockbuster, India has claimed the destruction of Pakistani submarine as well.
This is the Indian Navy. You are safe here.
You're a loser.
These were the top 4 fake wins of the Indian military. How many more can we expect? Only time will tell. But one can anticipate Indian claims over the Normandy victory of World War II pretty soon.